Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Now, this is a little short video for you today. I've actually, because I've got a broken arm, I'm very bored and itching to do some stuff and can't really do anything, to be honest, but I can do this. So this is going to be part of my my first ever, everything's my first ever, but my first ever multi-coloured or multi-species maple forest, root over rock, Penjing. That's a bit of a mouthful, I know, but basically what I'm going to do is use some aquascape and put it on this piece of plastic. I'm going to glue the rock to the piece of plastic so I can actually then use that, the holes, to tie it down onto the pot. And then I'm going to create a stand for it using these plastic pieces. Now, I picked these up off of the street. These are a sample kit. I thoroughly would recommend buying this. It's extremely strong, very, very sturdy, plastic, and beats wood 10 times down. I mean, you can imagine the price of a bit of board, that you, like decking, that you just stick out in your garden. You know, you put that out in the garden, within a year, 2 years, unless you put up, like, kept up maintenance and all the rest of it, that wood is rotten and it's gone, and you know, there's nothing you can do about it. It's just, you have to redo the whole thing. This plastic is perfect. Honestly, if I was going to make bonsai benches or put decking down or do walls in my garden, like wall panels for your garden, all right, absolutely perfect. So it's called Cladco profiles. So I'll show you that. Hopefully you can zoom in on that and you can see that. I would thoroughly recommend that. So what I'm going to do anyway is aqua putty, mix it all up. I'm going to stick this stone on the bottom there, and then I'm going to put this stone on the top, all glued together. And there's also going to be another piece that goes on top there, just like I've done here on this one. And then in the future, this is going to go in a pot, and there's going to be maples going around it, all different colours. So I'm going to see if that works. Hopefully it'll be really nice. So let's get on with this. I'll show you this very quickly. Nothing to it really. Mix that together, put it on there, put the stones on, and then wait 24 hours for it to dry. So I will do that, and speed fast, yeah? I'll see you in a second. So now we've got it all mashed in and all mixed together. Literally just put a lump on the board. So you put that on the board, you get your stone, and you make sure your stone is going to be balanced, and just give it a good push down, good firm push. There you go, that's that one done. I'm just gonna do this other one now, and then tomorrow I'll put that one on. So we're just going to turn the rock over. We know where we need to put the putty. So we're just going to put little balls of putty around on the highest places. And I'm going to try and not see the putty in the end because it's a red colour. So we're just literally going to put it on like that. Just be careful that you wash your hands, because once you put your hands on the rock it will go all over the rock, so make sure you clean it. So now we've done that, guys, we're just going to find the position that we want the rock to sit, and that was roughly around there. And we'll give it a good squash down. And we can see some of the putty there, which is a shame, but at the same time we can cover that with moss and soil and stuff like that, so I'm not too worried about that. So right, guys, that's that lot stuck together and all ready. Just got to let that dry now. I've got one more piece that I am going to put on top of this, but I'm going to wait for it to dry, and that's this one here, and that's going to sit on the top like that. So that'd be quite cool. It'd be quite nice. And don't forget, obviously the root and soil level is going to be down here. So this is like a rock formation, and a tree's going to be coming up next to it, which would be quite cool. So sorry, it's just a short video, but I wanted to get this one done for you to see this part, because I don't want to put it in the next video, in a video where I put this all together. So I thought I'd do a short 5-minute video just to show you how I put the rocks together. So as ever, please like and subscribe and follow my madness throughout the years, and I'll see you later, guys. Cheers. Ta-da.